everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's short video, we'll write a simple C program that prints the multiplication table of any number entered by the user. Explanation of code. Let's start by including the standard input-output header file using #include stdio.h. Inside the main function, I have declared two integer variables, num to store the number entered by the user, and I for the loop counter. Then I ask the user to enter a number using printf and take the input using scanf. After that, I display a message saying multiplication table of the number. Now I use a for loop that runs from 1 to 10. Inside this loop, I print each line of the multiplication table using the formula num times I equals num times I. Demo output. So if the user enters a number like 5, the program will print the multiplication table from 5 times 1 up to 5 times 10. And that's it. A simple and clean C program to print a multiplication table. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like.